So right now I'm in the vault. This is what it looks like. Cars everywhere. Now I'm gonna introduce you to Justin. Hey Justin!
My name's Justin. I work over here at Vault, and we take care of high-end cars and store them and do detailing, custom work, man, whatever somebody's willing to pay us.
What's your favorite part about the job?
Get to be around these gorgeous cars, man. I think, you know, when I take these cars, you know, we do a service where we drop cars off at people's houses, and I, you know, fill up these cars at gas stations, things like that, and people run up to me and say, "Man, that's an awesome car. Is this yours?" And I'm like, "No." You know, we take care of it though. And it's like, "Oh man, you know, how do I get to do what you're doing right now?" And I think just being around them in general, doing really anything on them. I think if you're a car guy, I think even just washing them is where I started. I said, you don't even have to pay me. I just want to wash them. And then that kind of got me involved in it. And then obviously I started getting paid to do it. Yeah.
So Justin right here is working on a Bentley right here that I'm gonna show you how it looks. So look out for that. I gotta flip this around. I don't got my stand. I'm scared to put it on there. How do I know you, Gabe? Tell them the story how I freaking even got here to Texas.
And you got here to Texas because of paintball. You love paintball so much, you're like, I got to go play paintball in San Antonio so I could make it on X Factor. And I was like, T, I got your back. I only met you like for one weekend, and I was like, you're cool as shit. So I was like, I got to bring you over. So I got to help you out.
And here we are today working on stuff all over again with cars and whatnot. And Justin over there texting, getting paid by the hour. I'm kidding.
He's sexting.
Ooh, he is. Is that the lady? Ooh.
What's his name, Justin?
Hey, put your meat on the hood and send her a picture. Can't say this when the wife is around.
Exactly.
Getting out the way now.
Gotta keep it PG for the ladies. More like G.
What is this? I don't know what that is.
It's my light.
Ooh, it's a scanner. That's yours?
Yeah.
Whoa. What does that do? It says it's color match?
Yeah. It matches the Kelvin of the sun.
Really? How much is that?
200.
Look at this little pocket rocket I found. This thing is amazing. What? Oh my God. Yo. I need one of these in my life. My little midget legs. Look, my feet fit on it. Come on, man. This is money. So I'm sitting in the back of this thing, about to go to war. I'm ready. Need to pick up the gun here. Oh my gosh. What? Yo, this thing is kind of scary. I hit my head already on it, but I like it. Die, Nazis!
quite a few in there.
They don't want no smoke with me. They don't want no smoke.
Yeah.
You come and play with me at my house, this is what you're gonna get. And I got reinforcements coming too. Yeah. Oh man. Ready at all times.
There's
Now this is what you call riding shotgun right here. Whew. Dang. I don't even know how you switch gears in that thing. Is it just like the old Fords? Thank you guys for sticking around for the video. If you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. And just stay tuned for the next vlog. Also, shout out to Brian from Vault Auto Storage for bringing me out. And Gabriel from Extreme Shine. Both of those guys do excellent work on vehicles. Do check them out. They do great service.